हेलो फ्रेंड्स, जय हिंद, जय भारत। मैं प्रियंका अग्रवाल फ्रॉम होलकर साइंस कॉलेज, कंप्यूटर साइंस डिपार्टमेंट। आज एक नया लेक्चर रिकॉर्ड कर रहे हूँ। आज का हमारा टॉपिक है कंस्ट्रक्टर इन जावा। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट। What is constructor? Constructor is a special method that gets invoked automatically at the time of object creation. जब भी हम क्लास में ऑब्जेक्ट क्रिएट करते हैं तब कंस्ट्रक्टर एक मेथड होती है जिसे हमें एक्सप्लिसिटली इन्वॉक नहीं करवाना पड़ता है, ये ऑटोमेटिकली कॉल हो जाता है। Constructor is normally used for initializing objects with default values unless different values are supplied. Constructor has the same name as the class name. Constructor cannot return values. That means constructor has no return type. A class can have more than one constructor as long as they have different signatures. Different signature means different types of parameters and number of different parameters. In Java, there are two types of constructor: default constructor and parameterized constructor. Now, default constructor is a normal constructor with no parameters. Take an example. Here is a class counter which has a variable counter index, which is a type of integer. Here we declare a constructor counter which has the same name as the class name. In this constructor, we initialize the object of this class counter index by 0. Now, here is a method increase and in which counter index value is increased by 1, and also a method decrease in which counter value is decreased by 1, and another method get counter index. From this method we can return the value of counter index. Now, another class which has the main function my class. In this program we can create object of counter class counter 1, like this counter 1 equals to new counter. So by this line the counter constructor of counter class is automatically invoked. By this, now you can see counter is called and counter index is initialized by 0. Now we can call increase method by counter 1 object, counter 1 dot increase. By this increase function method is called, and in this counter value will become 1. 0 plus 1 1. Then counter 1 object called the get counter index method, counter 1 dot get counter index, and the value is stored in variable a. By this get counter index, in this return counter index, that means return 1. That means a holds 1. Now again we call increase method by counter 1. Then now what happened? 1 plus 1 equals to 2. Return 2. B holds 2. Now a greater than b, that means 1 greater than 2. It means false. False, that means else. Statement of else is executed. That means decrease method is called. In decrease method counter value becomes less, becomes 1 less. That means counter index value becomes 1. 2 minus 1 1. Now here we display the value of counter index, counter 1 dot get counter index, and this will print the 1. Clear? Next, parameterized constructor. A constructor that have parameters is known as parameterized constructor. Why we use parameterized constructor? तो parameterized constructor is used to provide different values to the distinct objects. That means अलग अलग ऑब्जेक्ट्स को अलग अलग वैल्यूज प्रोवाइड करने के लिए हम पैरामीटराइज कंस्ट्रक्टर यूज करते हैं. इन डिफॉल्ट कंस्ट्रक्टर all objects have same values. Now take an example. Here is a class student 4. There are two member variables id and name of this class and a constructor student 4 which takes two parameters I and n. I is an integer type of integer and n is a type of string. Now in this constructor value of I is assigned to id and the value of n is assigned to name. Here is a method display which simply displays the id and name. Here in main function method create ऑब्जेक्ट s1 स्टूडेंट 4 क्लास का एक ऑब्जेक्ट बनाया s1 इक्वल्स टू न्यू स्टूडेंट 4 111 एंड करंट. दैट मीन्स बाय दिस स्टेटमेंट द कंस्ट्रक्टर स्टूडेंट 4 इज कॉल्ड एंड 111 is assigned to I and current is assigned to n. After that the value of I is assigned to id in the constructor and the value of n is assigned to name. Similarly another object s2 is created and the value of for s2 is assigned to id and name. Now when we call display method by s1, this will print 111 and current, and when we call display method by s2, then this will display 222 and rn. Now constructor overloading. Constructor overloading means simply which has more than one type of number of constructor with different parameters list. So constructor overloading is a technique in Java in which a class can have any number of constructors that differ in parameters list. The compiler differentiates these constructors by taking into account the number of parameters in the list and their type. Simple. Class student 5, in this class 3 member variables id, name and age. Here a constructor student 5 which takes two arguments int I, string n, and in another constructor student 5 which takes three arguments int I, string n and int a. That means there are two constructors in this program. That means constructor overloading, more than one constructor but different in parameters list, in type or in number of parameters. Simple. In main method we created two objects. First object s1 which pass two arguments 111 and current. So the first constructor which takes two parameters is called by s1 object, and another object s2 is created and this object is passed three arguments. So compiler automatically called second constructor which takes three arguments. Now multiple constructors. Sometimes we want to initialize in a number of different ways depending on circumstance. This can be supported by having multiple constructors having different input arguments. Example, here is a class circle, three variables of type double x, y and r. Here three constructors are created. First one is circle. In this all three variables have their values by passing object. X equals to center and y equals to center, y, r equals to radius. That means value of center x is assigned to x and center y is assigned to y and radius is assigned to r. Second constructor is a circle which takes only one parameter radius. That means the value of x and y is given in this constructor, not by passing object. And third constructor is circle that takes no arguments. All three variables have their values initialized in this constructor. Now, when we create objects, there are three objects: circle A, circle B and circle C. By circle A, constructor first circle which takes three arguments is called. By object second, circle B, circle constructor which takes only one parameters is called. And circle C, by this constructor, default constructor that have no arguments is called. As you can see in diagram, first circle is called with three values 10, 12 and 20, and second circle with only 10 and x and y takes 0, 0, and circle C in which x and y takes 0, 0 and radius equals to 1. Now, Java copy constructor. There is no copy constructor in Java, but we can copy the values of one object to another like copy constructor in C++. There are many ways to copy the values of one object into another in Java. They are by constructor, by assigning the value of one object into another, by clone method of object class. Example, here is a class student6. In this class, two variables id and name is declared. Constructor student6 which takes two parameters I and n, like previous example. Here another constructor student6 which takes parameter of type student6, that means which takes parameters of सेम क्लास ऑब्जेक्ट, मतलब ऑब्जेक्ट आपका पैरामीटर्स जो होगा वो उसी क्लास का एक ऑब्जेक्ट रहेगा. दैट दिस इज द कॉपी कंस्ट्रक्टर. नाउ in main method, s1 object is created which passed 1, 1, 1 and current. This is initialized in id and name. Another object s2 is created, but in this object the constructor is called second constructor which takes the object as an argument. That means we passed s1 in this. S1 is assigned to s. Here id equals to s dot id means the value of id in s is assigned to id of s2. Same, the value of name in s1 is assigned to the value of name in s2. That means both the objects have the same values, and by the display method we can display the values of these two objects. Now, डिफरेंस बिटवीन कंस्ट्रक्टर एंड मेथड इन जावा. सिंपल डिफरेंस है जावा कंस्ट्रक्टर एंड जावा मेथड्स के बीच. कंस्ट्रक्टर इज यूज टू इनिशियलाइज द स्टेट ऑफ एन ऑब्जेक्ट. दैट मीन्स ऑब्जेक्ट की वैल्यू, स्टेट किसी वेरिएबल की वैल्यू को इनिशियलाइज करने के लिए हम कंस्ट्रक्टर का यूज़ करते हैं. मेथड इज यूज टू एक्सपोज बिहेवियर ऑफ एन ऑब्जेक्ट. कंस्ट्रक्टर मस्ट नॉट हैव रिटर्न टाइप. मेथड्स मस्ट हैव रिटर्न टाइप. Constructor is invoked implicitly. We cannot call directly explicitly. Method is invoked explicitly. The Java compiler provides a default constructor if you don't have any constructor. Method is not provided by compiler in any case. Constructor name must be same as the class name. Method name may or may not be same as class name. So this is the constructor in Java. Thank you.